Let's see how to set up ticket bot in our Discord server. So first of all, go to your browser and search for ticket bot and open this first link, and you directly jump into official ticket bot website. In here, click on invite ticket tool, selecting my server, in which server I'm gonna be add the ticket toolbox. So here's my server, clicking on continue and authorize, and ensure that you are not a robot. And then here we can see the ticket toolbot has been successfully added. Now click on your server name and go to your server settings. In this left-hand menu, you need to choose roles. You need to add the ticket toolbot under the owner or admin role. So I'm just moving this owner role at the top of this roles list, and under the owner role here we can see the ticket tool role. Now just click on save changes. Okay, now we'll create a new role. So just click this create role button, and here role name I'm typing here support. And now you can pick a color for the role, and you can customize the role according to your needs from here. Then click on save changes. Then go to manage members. In here, click on add members to this role. And now just go ahead and add members to the role, just like this. Now just close these settings, and in your server, right click on this left-hand panel, and let's create a new category and rename a category here. I'm typing here support, and let's create the category. And now under this support category, we'll create a new text channel. So click this plus icon, select text, and channel name typing support, and let's create the channel. Now you have to go back to the ticket bot website, and this time you have to click on dashboard and click on login with Discord, and now just sign in here using your Discord account. And now find your server in this list and click on manage. Now we need to create a panel. To do it, just click this plus icon, and here enter your panel name. I'm typing support, and let's create the panel. Once it's created, now select here general. Now click the support team role, and here we have to select the support role that we just created in our server. Then click on save, and then click on back. Then click on category, and here select the support category and click on save. Click on back. Now click on send. Now click this drop down and select the channel where you want to send it, and click on send. Now you can just go back to your Discord server, and here we can see the ticket tool option is showing. Now whenever you want to create a ticket, you just need to click this create ticket button, and this will create a ticket for you, just like this. And here, if you want, you can close your tickets by clicking on close button. So this is how we can actually do it. Thanks for watching.